prior to Aerospike 8, one could have made the case that Aerospike is not a full-fledged database because while we supported strong consistency, we were still working only with transactions that affected a single record. Of course, our performance at scale is really, really high, but we were still not able to handle the vanilla transactions, which are defined as a multiple record operation with ACID properties. With Aerospike 8, now that we support that, and we have pretty much every other capability of a database, we can be considered a full-fledged database for storing mission-critical data, or in other words, a system of record.
The analogy I always use was it was like doing gene therapy. We literally, up to now, including even strong consistency, it felt like we were expressing genes that Aerospike DNA had, but transactions were really the first thing where it's like, wait a minute, we don't really have these genes, we have to splice them in. And it ended up making it just a technically very, very difficult thing, a technical challenge.
For developers, Aerospike 8 provides the kind of expected transactional model, start, commit, abort. And it does so in a way that people are familiar with.
So single record operations in Aerospike 8 will still be able to perform at the same performance level as they have performed in earlier releases. The only changes will be for multi-records.
For folks who are never going to use transactions, what I hope they experience with Aerospike 8 is nothing. That's the best thing, or nothing different. We put some serious effort into making sure that adding this capability does not cost you in performance if you are not interested in the feature. And that is actually sometimes very difficult to do.
In a distributed database, it's hard to actually make things simple. The nice thing about transactions is their simplicity, but there is a lot of work that went into making them perform well and be this simple.
Prior to Aerospike 8, Aerospike was not a transactional database. After Aerospike 8, Aerospike is a transactional database. And that's just a whole new world.